Hello, welcome to Talk Excel Wrap. The data set you are seeing before me here is a data pulled from a software, and now you have a data set before you pulled from a software, and you have a task ahead of you to do what? On this column A, you are to extract within the data. We have information. The first numbers here are account number, and the second numberings here are figures, which are amount, and then we have a payment module, either credit or a debit. Now you are asked to extract them on a different columns. So what do you do? So most time, this is how the data came, and these are your requirements. The requirement is fill in the amount like this, the account number, fill in the amount, then you fill in the payment method, either debit or credit, extracting from this. Now this is the sheet. Let's look at sheet 2 to see what we want to achieve. This is just exactly what we want to achieve, having all the account number, all the amount, and all the debit notes. So let's go to our working. So how do we achieve this? How do we do this? A lot of time we'll find it difficult to go through and start extracting, but with the power of flash fill, I know I've done a video for you with flash fill. So let's see how we do this. Now, first thing you do in data cleaning. Now, our topic today is data cleaning and achieving a result or perhaps a goal. Now, we have a goal to bring out the amount, the bring out the account, the amount, and either debit or credit from this data. Now, this data require cleaning, because if you look at the beginning of the data from this column A4, you will see spaces in front of the account numbers, and some do not have spaces. And if you use delimiter, you won't get figure from it. So, but today we are using flash fill, which can really help us even without cleaning. But there's something we need to know about data cleaning. First, we need to clean our data, then we'll begin to work from them, which will help us to achieve whatever we want to achieve. Now, let me go by cleaning. Then I will trim this data by saying equal to trim. So this is trim. Then I select the file I want, close my bracket, and say enter. Then I have this. So then I have this, and I use the free handle to double click. Once I do that, you can see the spaces, all unnecessary spaces are leaving the place. Now look at this. You can see from here we have double space. You can see 1, 2, so we have extra space. Now look at what system I've done here. You can see it has, so it's just one space that is needed. So system Excel will help you remove all the unnecessary spaces. So what do we do here? From here, now is on formula. If you look at your formula tab, formula bar, you will see that these are on formula. Let's pick them by using Ctrl Shift arrow down to select all. This row, this data is a data set with the row of about 14,192, like you can see here. So I wonder how we'll be doing this one after the other. So I copy this and I go back to the beginning, then I paste special. Then I paste special. I paste special. This you have done, you've been able to eradicate all of the unwanted spaces in your data set. Then we remove this. Then it's called data cleaning. At this point, we've cleaned our data. So let's provide the information required from this data. Now we'll be using flash fill. This is the account. A lot of people will tell you use equal to left. Yes, you can use equal to left. Put in bracket. Then you pick these. You say comma. Then the number of accounts are how many? They are 10. Then we'll close the bracket. We hit enter. Then we have the account number. Yes, in a case where they are not of the same numbers, what happens? Now, can we also use this for figure when we get to amount? No, because the amount numberings are not the same by numbers. So in this case, I can drag this down and we have it. Perhaps we can as well say, okay, we don't want it this way. Then what we need to do is use flash fill by typing 200684165. I say enter. Once I say enter, the shortcut or the shortcut to flash fill, instead of going through data and looking for flash fill, the shortcut to it is saying Control E. So once I use Control E, Excel will have the knowledge that you have done this pattern, so you want them to follow in the same pattern. The first informations you have right here. So that is that. So quickly, because of time, let's see what we'll do for amount. The same thing we can do in amount. So our amount here is 10,000. This. So we can say 10, 065 .49. Then we'll say enter. I use Control what? E. What happened? System Excel will give us everything we want. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 117,927, this is 117,927.20. Look at the amount here. They are the same with what you have here. So we are extracting this information into this to make meaning. So let's see, credit or debit. So the first one is credit. We write credit. Then we use Control what? E. Then what happened? Excel brings out every credit. Somebody said everything are credits. Then now look at this. This is debit, and here it extracted what? Debit. Are we together? So at this point, you've been able to use flash fill without wasting time. This takes you 2 minutes. You're done with your work. I believe this flash fill class have really helped you. If you're not okay with what you've seen, play it again, pause, play it again, pause, play it again, and get it this time. Thank you very much. Hope to see you some other time. Bye.